Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Netflix Watch Party extension. To use the Netflix Watch Party extension in 2026, you will likely have to use Teleparty, formerly known as Netflix Party, which is the most popular tool for synchronizing playback and chatting with friends. Since Netflix does not have a built-in watch together feature, this extension is the standard workaround. So first of all, go ahead and open your Chrome Web Store or Play Store or even App Store. Then head to search button and type in Teleparty. Now once you tap on this, you should be able to find Teleparty application on your store. Go ahead and install this. Now once you install this application, go ahead and open that specific app. Then open Netflix, log into your Netflix account and start playing the movie or show you want to watch. Then pause it immediately. Then click the red TP icon in your toolbar. A window will appear and click Start the Party. From there, you can choose to be the only one with control, like play or pause, or allow everyone to have it. Then copy the generated URL and send it to your friends. And note that every participant must have their own Netflix account and the Teleparty extension installed, or they won't be able to view it. Or what you can do is go ahead and open Discord application. And once you open Discord application, head to any channel that you want to share or watch this video or watch any movies or TV shows on Netflix together. Now, once you join the channel, you should be able to find this option called Share Your Screen. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it, then tap on this next button and select your application to Netflix. Then play in your video, and as you can see, the contents of your screen will be shared to the other people as well. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.